A recent report by the government highlighted that Manchester is about double the adoption rate of additive manufacturing compared to anywhere else in the UK outside of London. And that's Print City was cited as one of the influencers for creating that. Manchester Metropolitan University is one of the largest universities in the UK. We want students to really explore digital manufacturing or digital experiences. So students from any background or any discipline that they're studying can access the printing facilities and develop some of those skills. So Print City was established in 2018, and so we've grown from 2 or 3 printers 7 years ago to 100 plus printers now, 3.5 million invested, over 300 companies supported in the last 4 or 5 years. One of the key things we want to do is to give companies the opportunity to explore the technology, to understand the limitations, so that when they then make a decision on what investment they should make for their business, that we're supporting them in that decision making and de-risking the investment that they'll ultimately make. The company will come with an idea, we'll explore it. If we feel we can definitely do something of benefit to them, then we can have a short-term project up and running within a few weeks. The model allows us to react really quickly, and that it feeds into the reaction time and the constraints that industry has to be able to do things at pace. One of the other key aspects of what we try to do in Print City is ensure that we've got that talent pipeline that companies can come and access. I'd like to tell you about Sam, who sat behind me. So Sam came to the university as an undergraduate student, studied product design at the university. Then he finished his undergraduate. He came on our master's program. And we couldn't get Sam to leave Print City during his master's program. And then after he graduated, an opportunity came up. Sam applied for that position and is working full-time in Print City now and has transformed the space. He's done a lot in the last 9 months. I think what he'll do in the next 2 or 3 years will be transformational.
We are printing parts for architects, for fashion students, for interior design students, and then also for engineers and product designers. I'm getting to see really every side of 3D printing, which is really interesting. At the end of the day, the thing that the students want from us is they want their part as quick as possible because they have deadlines, they have schedules to meet, and we respect that. We can't afford the time to have failed prints, so we are just really focusing on getting the print right first time instead of just printing and hoping that it works. We're using data just to make sure that everything is as scientific almost as possible. Any time that we can reduce a failure has an environmental benefit.
I think we've been successful because we've focused on additive. The university has supported it. We've got dedicated technicians working only on additive manufacturing. So having that focus and investment from the university and the backing, the dedicated staff, has allowed us to be as successful as we have been. I think I'm just really passionate about what we're going to do over the next few years, and just make sure that additive manufacturing gets the reputation that it deserves.